how to transfer DRB token from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet. So in this case, we need to convert our DRB token from our Bybit wallet to Solana to be able to transfer it without any issue to our Phantom wallet. Now, first of all, open your Bybit wallet from your browser, as you can see. Now, as you can see, this token is under the base network. Now, select the base as a network from here, now select your token, it will be DRB. Now, in order to convert it or swap it to Solana, click on swap here, and you will be able to redirect it directly to your Bybit exchange platform in order to convert your DRB token to Solana. Now, as you can see from the bottom, we need to select Solana. Now, first of all, select the Solana from in the network, and now you can search for your Solana token or by search for it by here typing in the search bar, as you can see. So after you find your token, click on it, and after that click on swap, and you will be able convert your DRB token to Solana. After that, what you need to do, go and open up again your Bybit wallet and select the Solana as network first. Now select your Solana, and after that you can send your Solana to your Phantom wallet by clicking on send. So because I don't have any fund on my account, I can be able to see here. Now you'll be able to see a box that asks you to get the withdrawal address from your Phantom wallet in order to be able to transfer it from your Bybit wallet. So how to get that withdrawal address? Now open your Phantom wallet. For that, as you can see, it's easy and simple. Now just click on your Solana token, and now click on receive and copy it, and go back to your Bybit wallet to paste it there, and click on transfer, and you will be able to receive your token in about a few seconds to a few minutes on your wallet. So this is how to transfer DRB token from Bybit wallet on Phantom wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.